At Tensabel, we design, produce and distribute several products for queue management system. We're currently distributing over 10,000 units all over Southern Europe. At Tensabel, we use 3D printing technology for tooling, jigs and fixtures. In the past, when we were more conservative overall in our approach, because we used aluminum tooling. We use 3D printing tooling to mechanize the parts that come from our plastic injected molds. This tool is fixed and centered on a drill bench so that we can then mechanize up to 5 different parts using a special drill bit. Inside this 3D printed tooling, we place a plastic part. Then we close it to help it stay in place. We drill 3 holes at 120 degrees. Standard pieces such as screws and bushings help make this piece 100% functional in our everyday work. This tooling is formed by 2 pieces. The first one is used to position and center the piece that we will be mechanizing. The second one indicates us where we have to mechanize at 120 degrees. The 3D printing technology has given us the flexibility to reduce time and costs. This has led us to take more calculated risks, explore further and innovate constantly.